Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best product reviews in the market. Today, we have something truly exceptional for you: the Amazon Basics Heavy-Duty Broom in blue and white. Now, you might be wondering, what's so special about a broom, right? Well, let me tell you, this is not your ordinary broom. In fact, it's the best plastic broom you can get your hands on, and I'm going to tell you why. First off, let's talk about durability. This broom is built to last. Made from high-quality plastic, it's designed for outdoor or industrial use. Whether you need to clean your outdoor patio, sidewalks, driveways, or industrial spaces, this broom has got you covered. The extra stiff plastic bristles on this broom won't weaken or break during tough cleaning jobs. They're tough enough to tackle dirt, debris, and even those stubborn messes without any hassle. Assembly is a breeze. It comes with a 3-piece interlocking broom handle that easily breaks down for storage or custom height adjustment. No more struggling with unwieldy brooms that take up too much space. Now, let's talk about maneuverability. The Amazon Basics Heavy-Duty Broom is not only easy to assemble, but it's also incredibly maneuverable. Its ergonomic design ensures that you can effortlessly clean those hard-to-reach spots. And the best part? It's lightweight. You won't be straining your muscles while using it. Speaking of size, this broom measures 14.57 inches in width and a whopping 53.54 inches in height. That's a wide sweep with a comfortable handle height, making your cleaning tasks a breeze. But wait, there's more. This broom comes with some fantastic special features. It's not just durable, it's premium in construction, ensuring it's built to last. And the bristles? They are of the flagged bristle type, perfect for those tough cleaning jobs. So, if you're looking for a broom that's easy to assemble, maneuverable, lightweight, and built to last, the Amazon Basics Heavy-Duty Broom is your answer. You can get this amazing broom right now on Amazon.com, and the best part? It's available at a great price. So, why wait? Click the link in the description below and make cleaning a breeze with the Amazon Basics Heavy-Duty Broom. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more fantastic product reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning!